The simple, easy way to make any dish good is to put onion in that. This is my formula. But now it does not have to be always true. Oh my god, this is too much. Ugh. This was from my yesterday barbecue. This was good. I need to boil some water for pasta. Then we take out the fish. This is already. I'm gonna make a small cubes. We need this much of the butter. Then I'm gonna. Okay, so now you are looking at my Gopro vision. So we have this s'more butter ready. We put some onions in it. So now we have put some onions on that, and that is cooking. So, and when the onions are a little bit red, we will put some cream and fish at the same time. And then in the end, we will put this one. And at the same time, we need to put pasta to boil. So we have. Let me take this. And we pour in some pasta. That we add the fish. Okay. I have been pouring some really bad water on the floor. That is not good. So we have fish here, we have onions here, and we have our cream here. Now we can turn it down a little bit. See, this is what I was talking about. This is recycle. So then we put a little bit of the black pepper. Almost cover the whole area, and in the same way we add some salt, like half teaspoon. We add some salt here also. And then my personal touch is a little bit of coriander powder. Where is coriander powder? This one. I like coriander. I love it. This will give a very nice aroma on that. That's all. Nothing more, nothing less. Little bit of the oil, so the pasta does not stick. Now we will cook it for almost 15 minutes on a slow heat, and while the pasta is boiling, and then we will serve it with the pasta and this salmon fish sauce. And yes, in the end we will put some green grass onion. It's also very strong. I get so much in my eyes. Now our sauce is ready, and it looks really delicious. We have onion, we have salmon in it, we have cream and some spices. Here we have mixed it with our boiled pasta, and it's ready. So guys, if you like that video, please subscribe my channel, and also see I have been posting a lot of other videos having my parental leave with this child at home, and we are enjoying a lot. So thank you very much. Bye bye.